Well, I was at the charity shop and I come across this box, and I only wanted it for the wooden box. It was £3 for this box. I'll take it into natural light, it doesn't come up very well. There we go, take it in here. It's a mahogany looking wooden box and I wanted £3 for it, and I bought it just for the wooden box. It's got a nice carrying handle made of wood, and it's got metal hinges on the back. And trash or treasure, what do you think? Let's open it. Let's open the catches. One catch there. What do you think? Trash or treasure? What's inside? What do you think? £3. It's got 3 pencils missing. 1, 2, 3. A couple of small paintbrushes missing. All the crayons are there. All the watercolour paints are there. What is missing, say 1, 2, 3 pencils, a couple of paintbrushes, pencil sharpener and rubber. But there's £3 worth of coloured pencils in here, I would imagine, and crayons. Not alone the wooden box. Look at that, £3. So, treasure! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.